Did you know that well-trained purchasing personnel reduce procurement costs by 15% while improving supplier quality? Yet most learn through trial and error. Organizations often struggle with basic purchasing operations. Departments face delays due to poor documentation and process errors. Companies lose money through incorrect orders, missed discounts, and inadequate supplier evaluation. Entry-level purchasing staff frequently feel overwhelmed by procedures. Many struggle with supplier communications and negotiation basics. Documentation errors and compliance issues create ongoing challenges. This foundational course builds essential purchasing skills. Participants learn core procurement processes from requisition to payment. The training provides practical tools for daily purchasing operations and supplier management. Organizations with trained purchasing personnel see immediate benefits. Processing errors decrease while purchase cycle times improve. Basic purchasing operations become more efficient and reliable. For purchasing staff, the impact is immediate. Personnel develop confidence in daily tasks, while teams work more efficiently together. Purchasing operations become smoother through better trained staff. Start building your purchasing expertise today. Transform from a procurement clerk into a skilled purchasing professional. Contact us now to learn how proper training can enhance your purchasing operations.